So I know I haven't done a video in a while, but I figured I'd start this year off where I started my first video, with my bamboo. It's had a very hard winter. I thought it died. We had a long string of days below 10 below, and I thought it had got it. However, as you can see, let's get closer. It's getting new leaves. It is getting new culms. It'd be better if I put it in my own shadow. And it is coming right back. Still a baby plant. I'm hoping that this year it really establishes itself over the summer and manages to spread out a little bit. Haven't decided if I'm going to start splitting it and spreading it out further, just because it hasn't really taken too much hold yet. I'd like to, have a wall of it, but we seem a long way away from that at this point. We'll see how it goes. I'd buy some more if this one comes back solidly and lasts a good year with height. If it dies back to the ground every year, it doesn't really do us much good. So, because we're trying to hide from that, the murder house. Anyway, I'm also having Plan B. We've got baby rows of Sharons, which I started indoors in those little cups there. They are doing very well. And I've got giant sunflowers, which are in those cups, which did spectacularly well in those cups. As you can see, they grew way too big for those cups in a very short period of time. And so I'm going to be planting them today. And I'm going to spread them out along the entire row here. I'm going to plant some extra seeds so I get a second generation of them coming up. And the Rosa Sharon will also grow over the next couple of years to make a nice hedge. And we're going to do Rosa Sharon along that fence over there too. I've got iris back there. I want to plant some roses over there. And that's about it for the backyard at the moment. And I guess I'm going to go get started on doing some work. That's our back. That's where our deck will be at some point. Okay. Have fun, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to my madness. Thank you.